Hello everyone. I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on iMovie. I'm just going to show you how to create your own movie. It could be 1 minute to an hour. It really doesn't matter. Most of my videos that I post on YouTube are usually 1 to 3 minutes. My travel videos, they're usually more than 5 minutes. But anyways, my videos are pretty much short. So I'm just going to give you a quick tour of what I do on the back side of everything. So after I record my video, and I record everything on my iPhone, I don't have a camera or any of that. So when I use my iPhone, and after I finish recording, I just upload the video from I upload it from iCloud because all my videos are in there. So I'm just going to delete this for now. So what I usually do, and I'm pretty sure some of you guys have seen my intros, and I will be changing this pretty soon. So it looks like this, and that's my intro. Then you have my outro. So actually my outro, I'm in the process of creating another one, so you'll be seeing that very soon. So the way I upload my videos is I go to my media, and I go to my photos library, and I scroll all the way to the bottom, and I look for the newest video. So I just put it here. I just drag it down here, and that's pretty much it. Then I add music, and you can find no copyright music on YouTube. All you need to type in is no copyright music, and you can use that music in your videos. So I have several of them here. So I usually drag it down here. So no copyright music. Your YouTube account will not get flagged, thank goodness. So you are more than welcome to use that kind of music as long as there's no copyright in the front of the title or on the title. That's perfectly fine. So what I usually do for the audio is I turn it down, because if I just leave it normal, I won't be able to hear my voice. So that's a no-no. So what I'm going to do is adjust it to at least 3%. Now, depending on the kind of song, I usually have it at 1%, but for this one, it kind of goes out, I think. So I'm going to bring it down to maybe 1%, and that'll be fine. And I usually at the end, I phase it out, the music. So all you need to do is click at the end of the clip and just click on this little dot and move it to the left. And once you move it to the left, it's going to fade out.
Thanks for watching.
And that's how I create my videos. And I just use iMovie, the basic one. Eventually, I'm going to purchase the Final Cut Pro for my MacBook, but that's not going to be anytime soon. I'm just going to keep it simple and just make my videos as simplistic as possible, and it'll upload to YouTube with no issue. So if you have any questions or concerns, please comment below, and feel free to hit that like button and subscribe. And otherwise, I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye! Thanks for watching. Feel free to subscribe on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, or LinkedIn. Have a nice day. Thank you.